Hello guys, welcome to my channel Why Succeed, and this is luckyxman here with you today. I hope you've been enjoying my previous videos about Premiere Pro and its cool tricks. Alright, so to the same point, to the same subject, it's about Premiere Pro 2020, and today I will show you how can you create hologram by using any gadget you have right now. Okay, you don't need to buy any gadget. You have a phone, you have a camera, you have a laptop, or you have any hand gadget. Like I've got a lot of that hand bracelets, this one. I can use that too if I want, I can make a cool effect with it, but let me show you how can you do it. Let me play this intro and I'll be back. Hello guys, welcome back after this intro, and without doing any delay, let me show you how it's supposed to be done. Let's jump into the computer. Hey guys, yeah, this is my Premiere Pro 2020, and let me go to the editing panel. Pretty much everyone does everything in the editing panel, and this is what I'm doing right now. And guys, this is a clip. All right, this is a clip I've shot before I started doing a hologram. Okay, so let me tell you something very interesting, because to do the hologram you have to pretend like what you're gonna do. Okay, because this is a digital effect, you're gonna do it. Okay, if you're gonna do any digital effect, you have to pretend like you're doing something, and you're gonna have to add up after that. So I'm gonna play this video and you tell me. Okay, I'm gonna show you the example. So this is the shot I've taken. So this is your shot, guys. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Look at me. The nighttime is better because darker is better, and the hologram looks more bright and nice. So it's up to you if you're gonna do in a daylight, or it's up to you. But I like in a little bit dark environment, so I've done in my dark room a little bit of extra light. And yeah, this is what I'm pretending like I'm scrolling something. I'm scrolling something. So previously you have to think before you do hologram. You have to make a concept like what you're gonna do. If you're scrolling something, then you have to shoot yourself pretending like you scrolling something. Okay, then what happens is I'm gonna show you there you go. All right, there it is. Now every time I scroll it moves. Okay, every time I scroll it moves. This is it, guys. Okay, now this is a hologram started. Here we go. After this, let me play. Yeah, when the camera pops up, the hologram comes up, and I'm gonna do a little bit fast. I'll show you the end one. Here we go. When I swipe it, it'll go away. Okay, you have to do this. So to do this, you have to pretend like you're doing something, then you're gonna add up after that, like effect. Okay, so the top one, guys, a hologram. Actually, this is a screen recording. So I've done my TikTok screen record with my phone. If your phone does a screen record, yeah, do it, or do a different application. It's up to you guys. So what I have done is I shot myself pretending like I'm scrolling something, then I add up this screen recording on top of that. Okay, let me show you how I done it. Okay, so in the example, I'm gonna take this clip right here. Okay, this is myself pretending like I'm scrolling something. Okay, alright guys, so what I'm gonna do now, the screen recorder should be here, right here. Okay, let me drag that up here. Okay, alright guys, this is a screen recording. Okay, this is a screen record, and yeah, I'm gonna use this to do the hologram. So first, go to the effect panel. Okay, so start cropping. Take a crop, pop that in there, so it does nothing pretty much. Okay, select and crop top one. Okay, I'm going with the 5, and bottom I'm going with the 5. See how much is cropped. Here we go, guys. So this is it. This is look like, you know, this is perfect. This is how you should look like when you crop it. It don't crop too much, so it should look like it's from the phone. You see your screen is coming right out from the phone, so it's pretty much funny screen. Okay, now, so after you cropping these, go to the effect panel again. You know, if you don't know where it is, click in this arrow, 2 arrows, 1 2 3 4. You know, after 4 is effect. Okay, or you can go from here as well, so it doesn't matter, it's up to you guys. So go here and type let me do this, RGB color. Okay, RGB okay, RGB color balance. Okay, RGB color balance, go and put that in there with further that, you know, this is the phone screen. Just guys, drag and drop. Okay, this is simple. I'm gonna explain it a bit slower than usual, guys, because, you know, the faster sometimes you don't get it. So for this one, red, go to 0. So guys, there's another thing for the effect. In the left hand side, you can control everything, anything you want. Not everything, anything you want. Okay, so select the clip you want to control, go to the left hand side, effect control, then yes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm color balance, so RGB color. So let's do this, green, little bit blue, make that higher if you want. I'm gonna go with just like that. Okay, I think this is pretty much okay for me right now. Then there's another effect, guys, wave warp. Okay, type wave warp, drag and drop again. Okay, drag and drop, simple and easy, guys. So wave and warp, so the wave type, you can choose any of those if you like different one, it's up to you guys, but I want to go with smooth noise. See, it's already doing something, smooth noise. And the direction, okay, direction, I would like to go 0 0 for this because I want to make it more like look like a digital. And the wave speed is, I want to make it bit more, maybe 5, you know, 5.9, yeah, something like that. Okay, that should be okay, that should do the job. Right, so after wave warp, let's make something brighter, glow. Okay, so type of glow, it should come up. There you go. After video effect, there's the alpha glow, drag and drop again, drag and drop. Okay, so here, choose a color you want. So I would like to go a little bit blue, okay, bluish. Here we go. All right, so glow, I want to increase it a little bit more. Here we go. Oh, come on, here we go. Yeah guys, this laptop is a bit slower, it's already glowing. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the blue as well, blue again. Here we go. In color or fade out, doesn't matter, guys, just choose, you know, anything like the brightness. Go, you can take higher up. All right, the glow could go 100, you know, yeah, 100, I like 100. That'll do the job. Right, so after this, what I have to do is, you know, you can't just leave it right here because it doesn't look very good at all because it's 2D. Okay, you want to make a 3D effect because it has to look good, of course, you know. So 3D, type 3D, basic 3D, go right here, drag and drop. Okay, here we go. This is interesting, guys. Okay, there is a two three option right here, guys, but we're gonna use just the 2 option for now. So disable, here we go. This lets you move your, you know, this make your thing, whatever the screen is 3D, look like 3D right here. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Okay, this option will make you tilt the direction you want, any direction you like. Okay, So I'm gonna tilt a little bit like this. Oh no, that's too much. Okay, that's too much. I think that it's still too much. A little bit. Here we go. Okay, that should do the job. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to resize this because the screen looks too big according to the clip. Okay, so what happens now is this position and this scale let you scale up your screen, and this one, the position, let you change wherever you're gonna put your screen. So now look at this. Let me play. Yeah, it's already looking better. All right, it's already looking better. Okay, let me play this. Sorry about that guys. I think my laptop is getting very slow because I have a lot of stuff in my laptop at the moment. So let me render this. Let me render this and I'll show you. Okay, let me render this. So if you want to render just this clip, guys, go here, select I and O. Okay, if you select I and O, it's gonna select just whatever you're gonna select, and go to sequence, render effect in work area. Let me render this. Look like it's gonna take a bit of while, guys. I think it's gonna take a bit of while, so I'm gonna forward it a little bit, guys. I'm not gonna wait here around, oh god, 27 minutes, 31 minutes. All right, okay guys, sorry. I think I'm gonna show you after the result, because I've already done this, so I think I don't need to render it again. So let me show you the previous one. I've already done it. Okay, let me cancel this and let me delete that too. Let me delete that too. Okay, so this is a clip I already rendered right here, guys. This is it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's the same thing, guys. Same thing, pretty much same thing. Okay, yeah, so exactly I've shown you before. This is the outcome. Okay, because this is 3D effect. It's taking so long to render it, and I know it took me so long to do it, but guys, it's worth a while. Even if you're gonna try, it's worth a while. It's pretty good effect if you're gonna try in a video clip or movie or documentary or fun videos, anything like that. Put that cool effect. You're gonna do it. Yes, go for it. I would definitely do it in the next video if I wanted to do it. But for now, I wanted to tell you, this is a cool stuff. If you're gonna play with it, go for it. Premiere Pro is a cool software. I really like it, guys. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and there's another thing, guys. After you do this all the thing, to make it pop out, you have to balance that to this video, and here we go. If we select here, let me show you here. Okay, you should. This is it. I think this is it, guys. Sorry about that misconfusion. And if you want to know how to do pop out this thing, what you can do is select. Okay, let's imagine you're gonna make this pop out right here. Okay, from right here you want these to appear right there. Okay, what you have to do is select the clip, and you have to scale position. You have to fix the anchor point. So what happens is this anchor point lets you decide wherever you're gonna pop out this hologram, whatever, the screen recorder or anything like that. Okay, so if you go there and let's play. Oh, come on. Here we go. This comes right there, and yep, this plays according to the video, and at the end screen, let me do this. Yeah, when I swipe it, it goes away. So to do this, guys, select the clip, fix the anchor point. That's it. Just what I have to do is, scale it, make it 0 right here, like, make it 0, and yeah, that'll do. Okay, let's watch. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna undo this because I've already done that before, so I don't need to do this again and again because I've already done it before. All right, guys, so this is pretty much easy, just follow this step I've done. Yeah, follow this step and create a motion accordingly. So if you want to move in any direction, I've already made a video about this one, guys. I think it's going to be too long video, so I don't want to explain too much in the same video. If you want to watch it, I'm going to leave a link below about how can you move any text in any direction, or you can move anything, pretty much anything you like, a direction or any clip, anything in any direction, then you can use that technique to move. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna show you from the start, guys. Let me play, because this is I've already done this one for my videos, and I'll show you how I did it. Here we go, pop out. Yep, I think this is rendering, the render is taking too long, so this is the outcome. Okay, guys, this is the outcome. So this is pretty good, guys. This is pretty good project, and thank you for staying with me today. If you want to know something about Premiere Pro, let me know, guys. I will definitely make a videos. If you want to know something, and leave a comment below, ask a question, I'll definitely answer it, or I'll make a video about that one as well. Okay, all right, have a good one, guys. Thank you very much, and see you again.